all, welcome to John's Man Waking. Today we got the Titanic. Yes, the next two issues, 115, 116. Excellent stuff. There we go, those are the parts. This is a remote control. 115 is the first part, 116 completes it. Excellent, but you want to know what's coming in 117, won't you? So let's have a quick look at the instructions. Okie doke. Stage 115. There we go, coming in issue 116. Rear of the remote control, the rest of the remote basically. And here we have the magazine, Many Lives of the Line of Belgique. Theft it, see, this is a good read, this, I've actually read this. Red Star Line, White Star Line, all good stuff. There we go, remote control part 1. There we go, a couple of, well, there's a spring there, that could be a little bit awkward I suppose. But the rest is just push fit together. And that is what we're left with. So then coming straight on to issue 116. We have, coming in issue 117, the printed circuit board and screws. Excellent. And then the British Inquiry, the sinking of the Titanic. That goes on for a few pages. There we go. And the remote control part 2. Basically, it's finished. When we get to the end, we'll test it later. There we go. There's lights, whistle, smoke, SOS, and CQD. I think CQD was it distress call, come quick danger, something like that. Excellent. The other parts, that's 115. Let's get them out and let's get on with the build. Okay, here we have the parts. There we go, those are the parts for the remote control. So we have the front of the remote, the backing for the telegraph dial, there it is, that looks superb, excellent. We have disc A and B, then we have the spring, then we have pin A and B, and then we have the plate. That's the contact plate and KP screws. Okay, first thing we need to do is to pop this onto here. There's 3 pegs there on the back, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 holes there, like so. And then we need to pop this into place. Right. Yep, it has to go the right way up. 3 holes again, 3 pegs. Just wipe that one a sec. There we go, that's now clean. Pop that onto there, and then holes lined up. There we go. Snaps into place. Make sure you get it the right way up, whatever you do. And now we need this spring and these 2 pieces. Basically, put the spring that end there like that, and that end there, I believe. Oh, wrong one. The round end. There we go. So you want that way, and that basically goes onto here. Get that out of the way. Maybe you could have just put the spring in the middle and put the others into place. And so let's see, put that in there like that, and that goes there like so, and then this one goes into there like that. Right. Oops, he flicks out of place easy enough, doesn't it? There we go, like that. Now you need to capture that with this. There's a little cutout there, so you need to make sure that goes there and get that over like that. There we go. So that presses in there and that presses in there. Excellent. Now we need the KP screws for this. 4 of. Oh, that's going to come out that. Okay, let's get these screws into place. Can't hold of this whilst getting the screws out. One screwdriver. There we go. I'll keep that nicely into place. Just have that contact plate now. There we go. That's supposed to press in there. That presses in there. Now this little contact plate will go onto here. There are two holes in that contact plate which go onto there. One peg is actually bigger than the other, so you can't get this the wrong way around. There you go. So that one is the bigger hole. Put that onto there like so, and let's see, press that down with your screwdriver or flat edge, whatever. There we go. That's that in place. Excellent. And it's a case of turn this over and we pop this into place. There, like so. That's the position it goes. Looks like we could have put that clip on last actually. Oh, that contact plate on last. Put that in first, but that goes there, like that. And that is it for this issue. Issue 115. Let's keep hold of that there. Want it falling out. There we go. Lights, whistle, smoke, CQD and SOS. Excellent. Let's move on to issue 116. Okay then, here we got issue 116. Let's get the parts on. There we go, those are the parts. So we have 116A, back of the remote control, then we have the rear rim, then we have the control handle, we have the screw. That's nice and coloured. That's nice and heavy, that one. The handle. That looks brilliant. Excellent. Then we have the buttons. We have a screw cap, circuit board, back panel and battery cover, and EP and AP screws. Excellent. And the first thing we need is the first part. We put the buttons in there, like so, and then we put the PCB in just there, like that. We capture that with AP screws, 4 of. That's where that contact comes into play. Okay, we just need the 4 AP screws for this. So I'll get that lined up again. The PCB lined up into place. I think that's right there now. Seems a bit off centre, that. The LED is through there. That should be there like that. Okay, screw this down. There's the contacts here that was holding that up. Don't like to overdo it. That is now nicely flat. That PCB. There we go. That's that nicely into place. Yep, all them buttons work. That switch on the side, that works nice and bonny. Excellent. Now we need the back onto here. There we go. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 AP screws. Okay, let's get the first screw in. Excellent. There we want the back. That will go around that way. Well, and that hole, and that hole there. So we just get these lined up. There we are. Get that lined up like that. Excellent. And we can put this piece on. Give that a wipe again. Just put my sticky fingers on it. and then that just goes over the top. Again, 3 holes. There you go. That's looking just like that now. That looks excellent, that. No mucky finger marks either. And now it's just a case of popping the handle onto there like that and popping in an EP screw. I'll put that cover nut on afterwards. Excellent. And then the cover nut just goes in there. Now it does say about the nut, you can glue it in if you want, but just make sure that that moves as well. You don't want to tighten up that screw too much. Well, there we go. That is really, you can hear that click as well. Excellent stuff. Look like that. No, it's not ready for coming out anywhere. Well, there we go. No one's left. Put a battery in, but it's pointless at the moment. It's just to put the back on. There we go. You can see it probably uses a CR2 battery. Doesn't actually say, but it looks like the size for one anyway. Well, there we go. Well, that will be the on-off switch, I would have thought. Well, that looks excellent for a remote control for the Titanic. Brilliant stuff. That's issues 115, 116 complete. So there we go, guys. There is the remote control. Looking absolutely superb. Brilliant. It's not very good for focusing, that one. You've already seen it anyway. Well, that looks brilliant, doesn't it, that? You can hear it click as well. Excellent stuff. Looks fantastic. J. Ray and Company, Peyton Tees, South Castle Street, Liverpool. Yep, I get my finger marks all around that golden part. There we go. That's nice and bonny. Well, that is it for this month, the Titanic. You've seen the shape, looks absolutely beautiful. Obviously, we can't do anything with this, so that's going into a protective bag. And like I said before, that cover nut, that gold nut, is just loose. You can glue that later, but after we've tested the remote control. Brilliant. Lovely jubbly. Anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for tuning in and watching for definite. Yes, every month. Loving this. We're on 116, 24 more issues to go. Ooh, what did you do? Can't wait to get the rigging done, I must admit. Though we have got some decking for the stern. That'll look brilliant. Hopefully that's, well, after the PCV. We're not 117 is a PCV. Where that's going, I do not know, but we've got to connect everything up to that as well. So that'll be when we put all the decking on, so we've got all that to finish as well. Excellent. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.